Okay. We're going to practice what we did yesterday. I draw a triangle. I have A being 85 degrees. I have B is 32 degrees. And I have side B is 20. So the first question is, do I have an angle and its opposite side? Yes. What is the angle on its opposite side? B. Yep. So I can use the law of sines. But first, let's find angle C. How do I find angle C? 180 minus 85 minus 32. 63. So we've got one of the six. I'm sorry, we've got four of the six. So would you like to find A or C now? Okay, so I'll do sine of 85 over A is equal to sine of what? 32 over, why can't I choose to use the sine of 63? Yeah, because I don't know what C is. So we're going to cross multiply. So A times the sine of 32 is equal to 20 times the sine of 85. And we divide both sides by the sine of 32. So I'm going to make sure I'm working in degrees, not radians. And I go 20 sine of 85 divided by sine of 32. And I've got 37.60 if I round. Can I find C? Same way. Sine of 32 over 20 equals sine of what? 63 over C. Cross multiply. C sine of 32 equals 20 sine of 63. Divided by the sine of 32. And again, if you have a calculator like mine, you can enter it. Looks like I've got to change the 85 to 63. And I get 33.63. Do my results match up with the angles? Do the sides match up with the angles? What do I mean when I say that? Biggest side is biggest angle, so on and so forth. Now, this is different right here. What's different about this? One angle. That's a problem, folks. So, what do I do? Yeah. So I've got sine of 40 over 10 because I know A and its opposite side equals sine of, we're going to call it C divided by 7. Yes, and we're going to have to do sine inverse. Okay? Watch how easy this is, okay? You could cross multiply, right? You get 7 sine of 40 is equal to 10 sine of C. You divide by 10. What? What? I'll show you. If you're looking for an angle, you're going to have to use sine inverse. So I want to find angle C. In order to get rid of sine, we have to do this, sine inverse. So instead of just typing in 7 times sine of 40 over 10, let's do sine inverse of that. You see that? So sine inverse of 7 times the sine of 40, close that parenthesis on the sine of 40, divided by 10, and close my final parenthesis. 26.74. Is that an angle or is that a side? We just solve for an angle. We solve for angle C. Can I now find angle B? One hundred 13.26. Now can I find side B? Set up my law of sines. Sine of 40 over 10 equals sine of 113.26 over B. All right. Nice job, kids. Kelly and Tyler and Isa. My writing's getting kind of sloppy here. I'm sorry. I didn't leave a lot of space for these. I'll have to change that. So I got 10 sine of 113.26, close my parenthesis, divided by the sine of 40. And I get 1420. I'll turn it on. So what I want you to do is all the ones on, guys, all the odd ones, they're just like what you did yesterday. All the even ones are the ones where you have to inverse for the angle. So go ahead and start working. I'll turn that on.